Well, it is Saturday and I am in the office. It's been a busy week for our law firm, as always, in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. Yesterday, I actually started my morning in Luzerne County and ended up finishing my day in Gloucester, New Jersey. So a lot of driving yesterday. Had both matters ended very well for our clients, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It was one of those days where I was driving back and forth between the states for clients. And as always, the staff in the office was very busy. One good thing about driving that much, I have my dictaphone available and I can still dictate my letters and get some work done as I drive, and all done hands free. So it's a safe way to travel and also getting a lot of work done and take some phone calls. So the time is used very well. That's it. Put out a blog article regarding this incident in Virginia involving this track athlete, this other athlete. It made national headlines. I did a blog on it. It's a good opportunity to explain simple assault versus aggravated assault. Now, in this particular case, the matter is in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Obviously, I'm not licensed there, but we can nevertheless use the case as an example to explain assault, the types of assault. Now, in this case in Virginia, this individual, this female student, was running a track race. There's a video showing her allegedly striking this other athlete who's passing her on the right side or left side, I believe. It looks pretty intentional. She has said that it wasn't intentional. She simply was moving her arms, but the video looked pretty bad. And ultimately, when I first did the article, I said that she remained uncharged, but now she's been charged with assault and battery in Virginia. I think she's being charged as a minor because they're saying it's being handled in domestic court, otherwise known as family court. So it looks like she's being charged as a minor. She's being charged with assault and battery, which is a misdemeanor in Virginia, the equivalent of a simple assault in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. She could be charged with aggravated assault. I don't know why she's not being charged with aggravated assault. Perhaps that's just what they chose to do in that particular county in Virginia. But it's the baton that she uses is obviously can be considered a deadly weapon. And the injury that this other runner sustained, she had a fractured skull. So in my opinion, there's a deadly weapon, there's serious bodily injury. It looks pretty clear, according to the video, that there's intent, but for some reason she's charged with the misdemeanor offense and not the felony offense. Ultimately, I think that what's going to happen in this case is that she's going to receive some kind of diversion program for it, and that's where the case is going to go. I think that they had to charge her only because the video was so bad. Had there not been video, ultimately, I think that she probably wouldn't have been charged, but the video went viral. And I think that the pressure on that district attorney's office in that particular county was probably just too strong. And that's where the case is. But I believe that in my opinion, they could have easily charged her with the felony crime, Pennsylvania and New Jersey. In New Jersey, that would have been an indictable offense. In Pennsylvania, it probably would have been a felony of the second degree. I don't think that they would have charged with the felony of the first degree. New Jersey, it probably would have been a crime of the third or second degree, probably not a crime of the first degree with regards to the aggravated assault. I don't believe that was that level of intent, but nevertheless, it's a deadly weapon and there was clear intent there according to the video. So I'm going to link in the article that I wrote on the assault. It's a good opportunity to explain the charge. It's a charge that people often assume that they understand it, but there's a big difference between simple assault and aggravated assault, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So read the article. In addition, it is the weekend. I understand that people will be traveling in and out of New Jersey and Pennsylvania. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a blood test or a breathalyzer test. It will never help your criminal case. If the officer is asked to search the car, do not give permission. Remember, warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. They're not permissible in Pennsylvania. In most situations, police need a search warrant to search a car. That being said, if the officer is trying to search the car, do not get in her way, his or her way. But just make it clear you're not giving consent. Once you give consent, it negates a lot of your constitutional arguments under the state and obviously the U.S. Constitution. That doesn't mean that your attorney can't make arguments. It just makes things a lot harder. So why do that? Again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, we have the ability to text our law firm, email our law firm. And again, the website's set up in such a way that we believe that people will find it very educational and provides a lot of resources at no cost, because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Saturday. Have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you all very soon.